Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. And this week we're talking about food and how it relates to our weight loss journeys, and that whenever we're working on creating a healthy pattern of eating, the foods that we eat and the beverages that we drink matter. So today I want to talk again about water, and we've talked about this plenty of times, that we know that water intake is a critical part of our health and wellness. It does not have a direct impact on weight loss, however, but drinking water allows you to stay hydrated without taking in more or too many calories. So when we switch to drinking more water, it can be helpful as it's going to reduce the number of sugary drinks and or empty calories that you consume, which is going to help you stay within a healthy pattern of eating, especially if you're trying to lose weight, maintain weight, or just create a healthy weight. So I want to take a brief look at some of the myths and the evidence, scientific evidence out there about water. First of all, water is essential for life, right? A huge part of our body, 50 to 70%, is actually made up of water. So it's vital for tissue and organ function, and it's integral for metabolic processes, cardiovascular health, temperature regulation. So being dehydrated has often been linked to a range of problems which can disrupt our mood and our cognitive function, can cause brain fog, it can reduce your physical performance. Obviously, you can become constipated or even have headaches. So staying hydrated is very important to our overall health. Lots of questions about, is it true that drinking water actually helps us lose weight? Well, here's the facts. Hydration doesn't provide a magic weight loss benefit. There's not a direct impact on weight loss, even though this is a popular belief. But the good news is that a lot of times people confuse hunger with thirst. And drinking water is going to, even though it doesn't actually help you feel full, it is going to help you stay hydrated so that you're not going to be confused about whether it is that you're thirsty or hungry and accidentally eat more than you should. More benefits for water. Other than the ones we've already mentioned, we know that drinking water allows you to stay hydrated. Switching to water from sugary drinks is going to help you maintain your weight. Lots of people ask, how much water should I be drinking? There's not a magic number. Your water is going to really vary based on your sex, the climate, what's going on outside, your overall health, your activity levels, your body size, etc. But for most people, if we're drinking when we're thirsty, this is going to keep you hydrated rather than trying to get to a certain amount. So you really need to create your own goal. Most men can stay hydrated with 15 cups of water a day. For most women, it's about 11 cups a day. And obviously that's going to vary depending on your activity throughout the day. So I hope that this little mini lesson has shown you how beneficial drinking water is and how having adequate hydration throughout the day is going to support you on your health and wellness journey, especially if you're trying to lose weight, even if there's no direct scientific link between drinking water and weight loss. It is obviously something that is vital to overall general health and wellness. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.